Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PSIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here, let me try that again. There we go. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I realize, yeah, it pulled back here a little bit, but even where it closed relative to where it was yesterday, still a very good day. Now, that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at, what is that? $4.25. Why is $4.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here more, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have the stair steps continuing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress upwards as time goes by. Now, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, which it's already done a couple of times right there, that would be the ideal situation. But if the price does drop below the pink line, in my opinion at least, that doesn't mean the chart's totally ruined or anything, because the price would still have an opportunity to quote unquote build a stair step higher and show progress. And I'm just, again, defining progress as $4.25. What about levels of resistance? First area of resistance on any sort of bounce, I'm going to call right there at about $6.85, and then after $6.85, it just goes back up to where the party essentially stopped today, and that was up here right around the $7. Oh, that makes it easy, $7.85 mark. So $6.85, $7.85, two levels of resistance. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.